What's the meaning of ballpoint pen? Ballpoint pen. Ballpoint pen.
Ballpoint pen. Ballpoint pen. A ballpoint pen is a writing instrument that uses a small rotating ball made of brass, steel, or tungsten carbide to disperse ink as it moves across paper. The ink is stored in a reservoir or cartridge, and the ball rolls over the paper, leaving a trail of ink in its wake. The ballpoint pen is a popular writing tool due to its reliability, affordability, and convenience. It is often used in schools, offices, and homes for everyday writing tasks. The invention of the ballpoint pen revolutionized the world of writing, as it replaced the messy fountain pen and provided a cleaner, more efficient alternative.